Like, share, and subscribe.
Okay, so Mum's the Word is going to be back later today. And we just broke through 237. It's right on 237 right now. Tesla is going up. But it's not going to the moon, it's going to Mars. So Grandpa's looking a little bit better here in his margin account simulated trading that Grandpa's doing today. And we're we're downsizing as she goes up. We'll be fine here. Yeah, the last live stream, Mum's the Word came on and gave us some news about Tesla. He knows a lot about Tesla and China. So it'll be fun to see. He's excited about coming on later today, and we're going to have a good time with that. If you want to know what's going on, that guy can tell you. He's been giving Grandpa the news for 40 years, uh, which is okay. Hey, uh, what's dragging us straight up here? I can tell you what's doing it. 242, they're shorting times 15. That's 1,500 shares per blink. Uh, they're probably only doing it about approximately 10 times a minute, but that's 1,500 shares every time it blinks. They're also up at the 245.40 range now, shorting, and so uh, they're moving everything up. Pre-market, they were up at 280. 280. Gee, 280. We have substance at 280. You know, you're going to see 280 in your future. You're also going to see 190 and 200. Grandpa just doesn't know when for sure. But you're going to see 220 to 222 area before that. So, and that's all substance. We have substance that. Well, I'll run through the substance starting on the bottom side. We got substance in the 185 area. We have substance, massive substance at 190, 200, 210, 212 area, 220 to 222 area. We have substance, minor substance in the 220, 222 area yet, but it'll be regular substance by the time we get there. I'll guarantee that. And you're going to see all those numbers. And then we have on the top side, we have substance at 247.50 to 250 to 255. We have, but 269 is your anything below 269. Grandpa still believes the market makers are just buying all the shares they can extra. And because from 269 to 283, it is so massive with shorts that need to be activated. And they will go there and activate them. Uh, in the little over 9 months that I've been tracking it now, every place of substance has come true. Uh, the furthest out one I've got down so far was $75 from top to bottom, and uh, I've been hanging on 280 for over 2 months. They built substance in at the 280 on 9/11, a little over 2 months ago, and this is the furthest out place of substance that we have that Grandpa is aware of. And there could be other places of substance that I'm not aware of, like 320, like 10107. But and truthfully, if they keep bouncing up and buying at 320 all the time, we're getting a red candle here. This thing's gonna do a little bit of a revision. Could be a solid buy signal. Truthfully, I think we're gonna probably move sideways in this 234.50 to 237 range here. That's kind of what Grandpa thinks they're going to do for a while. That's why I've got 25 shares here at 234.50, because I'm hoping to snag them and just average, keep goofing around. What do I got now for an average in this thing? 230, about a little under 231 average. So at least Grandpa's in the game, Okay, well, looking forward. Well, let's go through the charts real quick. We got buy. Well, we have a sell signal in the 5-minute just now. 15-minute absolute buy signal. I think we're going to see that 247.50, 250 area next week here at some point. But I also think we might see 220 next week. So I thought we might see it this morning. We might see it before the end of the day. You just don't know what these guys can do. So 30-minute, let's look at that. 30 minutes, absolute beautiful buy signal all the way. It don't get any prettier than that. Hourly, beautiful buy signal. Absolutely. Oh, I love these pretty Japanese candles. Let's see. 4-hour. I made a killing in one of my real cash accounts. I bought a bunch down at 227 this morning and unloaded them at 235.75 to 236.75, and I'm real happy with that. So Grandpa did good at something. Let's see, 4-hour. Yep, we've got a reversal buy signal in the 4-hour chart. Now that could easily bring us to 250. That 4-hour one. That's huge. This daily candle is not done yet, but it looks like it's probably going to be red because they pull us down. But look at the wick on this thing. I think it might just be a little bit of a bear flag today. 280 is closer than you think. Have some patience. Have some patience. You want to have shares when you get to 280. Don't pay attention to Grandpa goofing around with this margin account that I'm doing here. Okay, here's our weekly. We could see we're looking right at the 256.5 range, where she's going to hit this line 257, 255. It could just slice right through that thing on the way to 280. When they pull the plug and take off at this thing, you know how they operate. On the bottom side here, we got the 183 area, 184 at 185 area. Gonna see all that stuff, you guys and gals. Okay, Grandpa's gonna hop off here. It's a good day when Tesla's going up. Don't worry about Elon. He knows stuff. He's way smarter than Grandpa, I can tell you that. Okay. Okay. All good things are from the Lord. God bless you, and we'll see you later. And hopefully, Mum's the Word will give us the news in the next one. He's going to give me a call later, and we'll get it set up. Bye bye.